What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the radius of a circle when you're given the central angle and the arc length. Okay, so the formula that we can use is right here. So the radius is going to be equal to the arc length times 360 all over 2 pi theta, where theta is equal to the central angle. And one thing that you want to make sure of is that the number you plug in for the central angle and the arc length correspond to one another. Okay, so basically you want to make sure that this angle is opening up to this arc length. Okay, so for instance, here you can see that this central angle, right, this central angle is opening up to this arc length that we're given. So that's exactly what you want to see. Okay, because for example, if we were given the length of this arc instead, let's just say that was whatever, 20 feet. Okay, which arc length would we want to use, 10.5 or 20? Well, we would want to use this 10.5 because our angle, our central angle, opens up to this specific arc length. Okay, so with that in mind, let's plug in what we know into our formula. So here we're going to get that the radius is equal to the arc length, which is this one, right, 10.5 feet. So we're going to say 10.5 times 360. And that's all over 2 pi times the central angle is 150. All right, so if you plug this into your calculator, you'll get that the radius is approximately equal to 4.01, and our units are feet, right? Stinky feet, boom. All right, here's our last example. So again, we're given another circle and we have this long red arc length that's 38.95 centimeters. And then this time it tells us that this central angle right here is 100 degrees, okay? So there's an issue here, right? Because the central angle is on this side, right? So it's opening up to this arc right here, but the arc length that we're given is the big long red arc length, right? So we don't want to use this central angle. We want to use this central angle, right? This is the angle that opens up to this big long red arc length. Okay, so again, we always want the central angle and the arc length to be on the same side. So what is this central angle? Well, remember there's 360 degrees around an entire circle. And if this little bit is 100, well then 360 minus 100 is 260 degrees. Okay, so now that we figured out our angle, let's plug in what we know here. So the radius of this circle is going to be equal to the arc length, which is 38.95 times 360 divided by 2 pi theta, right? 2 pi theta, theta is 260. All right, so if you plug this into your calculator, you'll get that this is approximately equal to 8.58, and our units are centimeters. Boom.
So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below.